Don't let the wind tear them apart!
Stay close. Hold each other.
The storm has come. I stand ready. Say your prayers. I will save you all. In the highest tower stands a man, calling the world to pray. He is our savior! Please save us! Please save us! Our savior, save us!
Stay close. Hold each other.
We are not afraid. I have heard all your prayers. Do not fear. Let there be light. We're saved. Our prayers have been answered. Hooray, hooray.
Wow! Have you ever felt your savior step in and save you? Hit like if you have.